Here's Worldtalk app make foreign friends. Quite a trending app recently. It has global coverage, so this is truly global app where you can just chat, post your updates, and just make foreign friends. And there is character voice translation. There is translation for video chat. It's a global dating app used by 500 million people from more than 180 countries. So let's open it up, and then here's how it looks like. You can see on the homepage, you can see different groups of people who you can talk to. You can see certified people. You can see Eastern Europe, Western Europe, Japan, Korea, Southeast Asia, China, just grouped by different locations. You can see messages. You can see moments, so you can see the updates, and then you can just post updates. Then you can see search, try to search in here, and then you can see your profile. And then that's kind of the idea. So you can also have some beauty settings, but the main thing is that you can just buy this translation package. You can try it for 7 days, you can try it for 1 year, and that's kind of the idea. And then you will have real-time translation, and you can chat with people in multiple languages. This way you can learn languages. Also, you can just buy VIP package, see it like it as it is. There is also diamond balance. Then there are settings in here, and that's kind of the idea of the app, how you can just try it out. You can also earn in here, so you can just get some earnings. You can also invite friends, just like that. So quite cool app. Check it out.